It was a Box-a-Palooza day and I got my short story today, so let's see what's in this box for the petite woman. Hey divas, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It, where I do unboxings and clothing shopping hauls and try-ons and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. If you enjoy those types of videos, then I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my fun fashion adventures. So I am doing a filming marathon today because I got both a Stitch Fix and a short story box. So let's see what is in this short story box. I have gotten one previously, and so I am anxious to see what is in this one. Okay. Short story is a styling subscription box for the petite woman. I'm 5'3", so I qualify. You get 5 items. There is a $25 styling fee, and they will take that off of anything that you purchase from the box. They send you an envelope, postage paid envelope, for you to return things. And then this has what is in here, but I don't want to look at that yet. All right. It says stylishly petite. Okay, so that's that side. That side, it doesn't look like there's much. We've got something white on top, looks like a blouse, and looks like a purple jacket, black denim, and then there's something blue. It looks like they might be workout pants. Let's dig in. All right. So first up, we have this very pretty white. It's got the tie front. It's very light. It's got some texture to it. I don't know if you can see that. It's got little ruffly sleeves, a V-neck with some, I don't know if you'd call that crochet around the neck, but it's pretty. It's hem and thread, and just something by hem and thread. The bottom, the back looks like it is ever so slightly rounded. So that's very pretty. I hope that looks nice on. All right, next up we have a jacket. It is a cropped jacket, and I am not really into cropped things. It's got a lot of interesting details. This very pretty purple color. It zips, and it's got zippered pockets. It's got kind of some rounded stitching, and then sleeves. It's got thumb holes. I've never gotten anything with thumb holes. I've always thought that looked kind of fun, so that'll be fun to try that on. Yeah, we'll see how cropped it is. All right, next up we have got some leggings. They look like capri length leggings. They are J ink, I think. I've never heard of that. Looks like J ink, size medium. They're in a pretty blue color. They look like they are capri length. They have this detail. It's like a mesh with some, I don't know what you'd call that, pieces of material. It's pretty color blue. I have recently bought a couple pair of leggings, so they are not capri length though, so we'll see how those look. All right, now this, I didn't see it in the bundle. These are some pants, and they are a kind of a paper bag style, elastic waist, and pretty pearl and gold buttons. It's called If She Loves. I am not wild about this color. This is not a color I wear. It's kind of like a brownish orange, and the legs are kind of wide. And then there's pockets in the back that are not real, just fake pockets. And then there's also pockets in the front that are real. So Well, that's what these boxes do. They take you out of your comfort zone. They make you try on things that maybe you wouldn't have chosen for yourself, and sometimes you find that you like them. I'm not sure that's going to be the case. Okay, next up we have a black denim jacket by Veramoda, and it's kind of a little faded. Other than that, it's just a plain black denim jacket. It does not feel like it has any stretch at all. So just standard jacket. All right, I will show you my outfit of the day. I'm gonna cheat because I'm gonna use the same footage from both my Stitch Fix and this unboxing, and then we'll get to the try on. Today I am wearing the Kenzie jeans that I believe these came from a Wantable box. These have back pockets. They do not have real front pockets. These are fake, but these are so soft. They're nice and thin. I think they're going to be awesome for the warmer weather. They're so comfortable. And then this is a striped blue and black shirt that I got from Express a million years ago. And then I'm wearing my Calvin Klein suede booties. And come up and see this shirt. I'm starting to like my shirts longer, so when I put this on today, I thought, I think this might be the last time I wear this. This is a necklace that I got from Rocksbox. I think it's a Kendra Scott. So it's just gold and got some crystals, and then this is a bracelet that I got from, I think, a Vera Bradley store. And then this is another bracelet from my Rocksbox. And do the turn. That's my outfit of the day. Let's get to trying on clothes. So I went ahead and tried on the denim jacket. You guys, it took me the longest time to unbutton these buttons. They were just really hard to unbutton. All right, so let's come up closer. And little long on the arms. It's got no stretch at all. It's kind of, faded. I'm not feeling this jacket. I think if I wanted a black denim jacket, I would want one that was a dark rinse and not this faded look. It comes about, right about hip level. And yeah, it feels also a little big. I mean, I would never button it because it was just too hard to unbutton, so I imagine, yeah, it feels kind of big. And I'm surprised with a petite company that the sleeves go down, to the middle of my hand. That's a little surprising. All right, let's try on something else. So I've got two of the pieces on. I've got the purple jacket and the blue capri leggings, and I actually like the leggings quite a bit. The jacket, not so much. So the leggings come about mid-calf, and they've got this, starting here, this mesh, and then they've got the little crisscross. See how they're not sucking me in terribly tightly, but I don't wear my workout wear outside of the house. It's just something I would wear to work out. And I could use another pair of capri length leggings because I do wear them in the summer. I moved that box because that was distracting. Now the top, the jacket, I think is a no. So it zips up very high. Let me adjust the camera. It zips up very high. You can, of course, unzip it. I don't have anything under it, so I'm not going to unzip it all the way, but that's what it would look like unzipped. It's got the thumb holes. This is actually the first time I have ever tried on something with thumb holes. And it's, it's a little bit long, but I guess that's because of the thumb holes. it's cropped. So, you know, I don't do this a lot, but, and I could always put a shirt under it. I just don't know where I'd wear this. Because I don't wear things like, you know, I don't wear workout stuff outside and out of the house, to go out of the house, run errands or anything like that. And it is that, you know, that stretchy workout material. So I don't feel like, although it's a cute look, it's also got this, I don't know if you can see that, this mesh detail in the back that I hadn't noticed before. It is a cute look, but it is not my cute look. So I think the jacket is a no, and the capris are probably going to be a yes. All right, let's try on the other two things. We have the last two items. We have the pants and the top. The pants are a no. I am not a wide leg pant type of girl. Come up closer and pan down so you can get a better view. This is just not my style, and especially not when they're, you know, kind of ankle length. Maybe if they were, you know, went all the way down, but this is not my style. I do like, let's see, I do like the pretty gold and button detail. There is a zipper. I don't think it's a terribly flattering look around here. They're pleated, and like I said, they've got pockets. I know some people just love their pockets, and I don't think it's not bad in the back, but yeah, these are no, these are just not me. The top, I'm kind of undecided about because it's loose and flowy, and I think it would be super comfortable. I'm just not, I don't do a lot of loose and flowy, so I'm wondering if I could tie it tighter. Yeah, that's a possibility. Let's see how that looks. What do you think of that? I wonder if I could, so what do you think of that? I don't like how it kind of hangs right down like that. It's got these little ruffly sleeves. I like the material, I just don't know that I like how it looks on me. And yeah, you can only tie it in the front, so not sure about the top. Would love your opinion on this. I think I need to try the top on with different pants because I dislike these pants so much that I think they may be affecting my opinion. So I am going to go and put on another pair of pants, and then we'll look at the top again. So I went ahead and put the capri jeans that I got with my Stitch Fix. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. And I think it looks better with jeans. I think I like that look better. So the loose, and that's what they say you're supposed to do. You know, if you have something loose and flowy on top, you should have something more fitted on the bottom. So I actually do think I like that look better. Let me know what you think. It's a really pretty top. I like it a lot. I wonder if I could get this in a smaller size. I think I need to maybe start asking for extra smalls in tops. But it's just a really pretty light material. So yeah, tell me what you think of this one. And I will change, and then we will do prices and a recap. Okay, let's see what my stylist said. Dear Andrea, happy short story day. So glad that you found a few pieces that you love from the last box. This is the first outfit. This first outfit is the perfect spring outfit. Wear this Sadie top with the Naia high waist linen pant. Yeah, I tried that. That was not the perfect outfit. Pair with flats for the day and cute stud earrings, then slip-on wedges and this Grayson denim jacket for a date night. You mentioned wanting some athletic pieces, so I grabbed this movement track jacket in this beautiful plum color that you can wear with the core blue mesh crop leggings to wear wear them separately. What kind of pieces do you want to see next? Do you want more spring items, or do you want to start seeing summer pieces? Enjoy trying these. Okay, so prices. So the Sadie, this is the Sadie Ruffle-V tie front top. And I was looking in the mirror and I realized that like the one side, this side was kind of sticking out funny. So what I did was I steamed it to see if I could get it to just hang nicer. And it did. I don't know, I'm having trouble getting it into the camera. It did, but now I understand why. She says it's a small but fits like a medium. I don't want mediums. It was too big. I wanted to like this because I love the material. This material is so nice. I just don't love what they did with it. And so I'm pretty sure that's a no. I will try it on tomorrow for my daughter. She's coming over and she might think it looks better. Maybe I can exchange it for an extra small. I don't know. But I just can't think of why they would send me something that fits like a medium. The Naia high waist linen pants, If She Loves, is who they're made by. Those are $48. Did I tell you that white top was $42? It's $42. I didn't like anything about these. I didn't like the color. I didn't like the fit. Those were a definite no. The Grayson washed denim jacket by Vera Moda is $68. It's a medium petite. Fits like a small petite. No, it doesn't. It fits like a medium petite. I mentioned that it felt too big. So that's a no. The Movement zip-up track jacket by J. Ing in plum is a medium. Fits like a small. I would concur with that. And that's $62. I'm going to see if my daughter would like this because, you know, she's young and she can get away with that cropped look, and she loves the color purple. So she's coming over tomorrow. I'm going to see if maybe she's interested in that. Although $62 is a little pricey for a track jacket. And then the core blue mesh crop leggings are $39. They are a medium and fit like a small. The total is $234 after they take off the $25 styling credit. Short Story does not give you any kind of credit if you keep everything, which is fine because I'm probably only going to keep one thing unless my daughter wants that jacket. What do you think of this box? This is my second Short Story box, and I can't say that either one really wowed me. I'm having a hard time even remembering what was in the last one. I don't know. I'll probably give them another try just to kind of see how it goes, but their prices aren't bad. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, please, and hit that subscribe button. I have another wantable box. I got a story for you there, so make sure you watch that video when it comes out. And that's supposed to come in a couple days, so I'll have yet another video for you. Until then, dress like you mean it, divas.